So very good morning all of you. Today we can discuss a new chapter, lipids. I think you already studied these lipids in your lower classes. So basically the lipids are the substances that are relatively insoluble in water, but it's soluble in organic solvents like either chloroform, etc. So potentially they are used as a energy source in animals. Okay. So chemically the lipids are the esters of fatty acid with alcohol. Lipids are the esters of fatty acid with alcohol. So that is formed by the reaction between fatty acid and alcohol. Okay. So then coming to the classification of lipids. So we can classify this lipid broadly into simple lipid, second is compound lipids, or it's also called as complex lipids. Complex lipids. Then third is derived lipids, and fourth is miscellaneous. So we can classify this lipid broadly into four. First is simple lipids, second is compound lipids or complex lipids, and third is derived lipids, and fourth is miscellaneous. Fine. We can classify the simple lipids, or we can divide the simple lipids again into two. Okay. First one is fat and oils. Second is waxes. Fat and oils and waxes. We can divide the compound lipids further into phospholipids, second is glycolipids, third is lipoproteins. Okay, so this is a classification of lipids. So we can classify broadly into four. First is simple lipids, compound lipids, derived lipids, and miscellaneous. And we can classify these simple lipids further into two, that is fat and oils and waxes. This is compound lipids into phospholipids, glycolipids, and lipoproteins. Then derived lipids and miscellaneous. Okay. So coming to simple lipids. So simple lipids means that I already told you that lipids are the esters of fatty acid with alcohol. So simple lipids are the esters of fatty acid with alcohol. Okay, simple lipids are the esters of fatty acid with the alcohol. So we can classify this into two, that is fat and oils and waxes. So coming to fat and oils, the fat and oils are the esters of fatty acid with glycerol. Here alcohol is glycerol. In case of fat and oils, they are esters of fatty acid with alcohol. Alcohol is glycerol. Glycerol. In case of fat and oils, this alcohol is glycerol. Okay. So main difference between this fat and oils is physically they are different, which means that in room temperature, is fat is behave like a solids, so they exist as a solid, but in case of oils, they exist as a liquid state in the room temperature. Okay, that's the difference between the fat and oils. Then coming to waxes, the waxes are the simple lipids, so they are esters of fatty acid with alcohol. Here alcohol is not glycerol. Alcohol is other than glycerol. Fine. In case of waxes, the alcohol is not glycerol. Okay. The alcohol is other than glycerol. The most commonly used alcohol in most commonly found alcohol in waxes are cetyl alcohol. Cetyl alcohol. Okay, this ethyl alcohol is most commonly seen in waxes. Okay, that's all about the fat and oils and waxes. Simple lipids is over. Okay, then coming to compound lipids or complex lipids. The compound lipids are also the lipids are esters of fatty acid with the alcohol, but in addition to that, they contain special groups like nitrogenous base, phosphate, carbohydrate, protein, etc. Understood? The compound lipids are the esters of fatty acid with alcohol. In addition to that, they contain some special elements or special groups like phosphate group, nitrogenous base, sometimes carbohydrate will be there, sometimes protein will also there. Okay, so that is called as compound lipids or complex lipids. These compound lipids or complex lipids can further divided into phospholipids, glycolipids and lipoproteins. The phospholipids are the esters of fatty acid with the alcohol. In addition to that, it contains phosphate group. That lipid contains phosphate group and frequently a nitrogenous base. Frequently a nitrogenous base. So such lipids are called as phospholipids. Phospholipids are the esters of fatty acid with the alcohol. In addition to that, they contain a phosphate group and frequently a nitrogenous base. So that is called as phospholipids. Then coming to glycolipids. So glycolipids are also esters of fatty acid with the alcohol. In addition to that, they contain carbohydrate. Okay, they contain carbohydrate in additionally. Okay, so it's called as glycolipids. Then coming to lipoproteins. Lipoproteins also esters of fatty acid with the alcohol. In addition to that, they contain protein. It's a macromolecular complex between lipid and protein. Okay, so that is called as lipoproteins. Then coming to derived lipids. So derived lipids are those lipids that are derived from lipids, which can be obtained by the hydrolysis of lipids. Okay, so that is called as derived lipids. Derived lipids are the hydrolysis product of lipids. Lipids in hydrolysis are derived lipids. The examples of these derived lipids are steroids, fat soluble vitamin, fatty acid, glycerol and other alcohols. That are examples of derived lipids, because these lipids on hydrolysis will get a fat. So fat is an example of derived lipids. Okay, lipids on hydrolysis will get an alcohol. Okay, so alcohol is an example of derived lipids. Then coming to miscellaneous. So miscellaneous compounds are those compounds, they behave like a lipids. They have some characteristics related to lipids. So that are called as that will come under the miscellaneous classification. Okay, examples are triglycerides, cholesterol, that are coming under this miscellaneous. Okay, so that's all about the just introduction.